At what age should you replace a water heater? This is an important question for Georgetown, Texas homeowners, especially when a unit starts showing signs of wear, reduced performance, or rising energy bills. Knowing the right time to replace a water heater can help you avoid sudden failures and costly water damage. Most traditional tank water heaters should be replaced between 8 and 12 years of age. As these units get older, sediment buildup and internal corrosion increase, which reduces efficiency and raises the risk of leaks. Even if an older water heater is still producing hot water, repairs become less reliable after the 10-year mark. Tankless water heaters can last longer, often up to 20 years, but they still require regular maintenance to reach that lifespan. In Georgetown, Texas, hard water causes mineral sediment to build up faster inside water heaters. This shortens the lifespan of tank units and makes failures more likely. Warning signs like inconsistent water temperature, rust-colored water, popping noises, visible corrosion, or water near the base of the heater often mean replacement is the safer option before a leak occurs. If you are unsure whether your water heater should be repaired or replaced, call Plum Pros today for a professional inspection. Replacing an aging water heater before it fails can save you from emergency repairs and water damage.